So we installed these no clog drains. They've got these like built-in traps and filters right on the drain unit themselves, so they just pull out and you can clean them and whatnot. And we're really happy with ours. They do require a lot. I mean, it's pretty nasty, right? I got some clippings and whatnot from my shaving every once in a while, but every couple of weeks, every 3 weeks or so, this is how I clean these out. They do require a little bit of maintenance. Again, there's no Drano that you have to use, so that's kind of the trade-off. By the way, click that like button and subscribe to the channel, and click share too if you think somebody might benefit, friend, family, from this video. That'd be awesome. And anyway, so it requires a little bit of maintenance. That's the trade-off. Instead of plunging $8 a pop into Drano, right? We've all been there. That's just money down the drain, literally. So anyway, I take this down to our kitchen sink where it's got a garbage disposal. And I just take a little key. You could certainly use a paper clip or something, basically something metal that can kind of get into the hole areas on the sides of the filter and then the bottom of it as well. And you just go make your way through and kind of poke that in. And I'm using warm water here. And let me speed this up. You don't need to watch every single piece, but it takes like a minute or two, and you can high power spray it off of there, and you're gonna basically have some stuff on the inside that may or may not come out. So get a toothbrush, an old toothbrush. Make sure it's old. Pretty important, I would say, and one that's dedicated to cleaning, in other words. And you could gently use this instead of a key or something. But the idea is really simple. You just kind of scrub this stuff off. It's not crazy, and you're going to see the original metal start to appear, and whatever that is made of under there, and you just want to get all those holes and everything cleaned out. And it's pretty simple. So let's get this moving here and check this out. On the inside, you might have to turn it upside down and then kind of pull some if it's kind of hard to reach, because you'll see the lip, the actual drain top, the finished top, will kind of be an encumbrance, right? You can't access it super easily. So just be patient and scrub a little bit, and then pull that stuff out, and it should be pretty much as good as new. Look at that disgusting stuff. And there's a reason why I'm using the garbage disposal. This can go down the drain if you're not comfortable with that, or if you don't have a garbage disposal, you can certainly do this. Cover it up and then just throw it away when you're done, so it doesn't go down the sink and clog or anything in your kitchen sink. But anyway, now that it's clean, we'll bring it back up to the bathroom sink, and that is how you do it. So hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.